guys, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another trade school, high frequency trading explanation. It's a simple video. We have weekend, yes, as the assets are closed and I cannot do live trading videos, so I'm gonna discuss with you those kind of trades which I have done already to get you a deeper insight how and why and what you have to care about if you are doing such kind of binary option turbo trading trades. And so so let's start again immediately. So first of all my trades and all those things which I'm doing are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, don't miss it. So I have done here a wrong click, yes, and that's the reason why this happens here, yes. So let me see what's happening here. Yes, okay, so get back to this page. So okay, let's see if I can show you now some of those trades which I have explained or which I have done already, and I will try now to explain more in detail. So that was this one. Here we have this video. First of all, I have to show you the market condition and explain the market condition. So let's see, we have here a downtrend. Yes, you see downtrend. We have a flat to 100 EMA, and yes, and you see here also that the distance between the EMAs are getting wider. That means it's a good sign that the trend will be stronger. Yes, that is what's about. And yes, and yes, and here you see that price is moving in this kind of channel. Yes, the one deviation between the one deviation and the two deviation Bollinger Band, and at this level you see already that we get here a weak candle, a spinning top at the one deviation Bollinger Band after this retracement here also, yes, and so and this looks like a pullback from the one deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, so let me do play, and if there is something what I should explain, I will pause this video and explain this further. So I'm waiting here to get a better entry point. Yes, you see I'm preparing already to do a put. I have the mouse on the put, and I try to get a better entry point. The market is not offering me this, yes, and then I enter in the last seconds of the purchase time to get this entry into this running candle, yes, and because it was a pullback of the one deviation Bollinger Band, yes, and that would be a nice sign of a trend continuation. I have done here in this kind of situation a put, yes, you see here also. Let me pause this video after this trade was finished, so that I can show you that what was the basic here. So let me see here. This area here, you see, it's a nice support and resistance area. Yes, you see here how the change of polarity works. Yes, we have here support, yes, and here we have the resistance. We have this kind of downtrend. You see here that price was first of all more closer, not a price, EMAs were here, we had ranging market. Yes, here we was ranging, you see the Bollinger Band. Then we got a Bollinger breakout, yes, and now after this breakout we are getting here, or we are still here into a downtrend. Important here is that the Bollinger Bands are heading both down. Yes, if you have Bollinger Bands which are heading in one direction, you have already a good trend. Yes, and that is what the price is trying to do here. EMAs are trying to break through here, to go here crossing the 200 EMA, which would be a much better signal that the trend is established. Yes, but it will take more candles to do this. The 20 EMA already crossed this level and is going far away from the 100 EMA. That means that the trend is already strong. Yes, so okay, that was this one. Let me see what I have done then. So I would do another put here in this kind of situation, yes, because like I have explained, this kind of area is now a nice strong downtrend area. You see I'm entering into a put here again, yes, but I waited to get a higher entry point, yes, I waited till price got above this level here, yes, the closing price of the previous candle. I have explained this already a few times. Try in a downtrend to get above the previous candle closing price, and in an uptrend try to get below the previous candle closing price to get a little bit more margin of safety for the case that the doji will be happen, yes, because it can happen at any time. Overall, if there is some other strong support and resistance level, yes, and then you get almost dojis. I have explained this in the last videos, yes, and also in my okay, and you see this was a doji at the end, yes, it was a doji at this level, yes, and if I would not have gone here above this closing price of this previous candle, this would be out of the money, yes. And here you see again how important it is to do, yes, to get the best possible entry point, yes. It could be also, yes, here in now this situation, let me draw these lines here. In this situation, you can expect also a fake breakout, yes, of this area here, yes. That is what you, because I get so many questions about fake breakout. If you have this kind of situation, yes, and you have this kind of yes, bigger lower shadows, yes, you can expect that next candle will go up, yes. But the problem here is that we have here a downtrend, yes. You see everything is heading down, yes. Also the 200 is already getting down, yes, and that is a strong downtrend. So and we are close to the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. So I would not necessarily doing a call in this kind of situation, yes, without any kind of evidences, yes, because it is possible, yes, because you see we get a nice bearish candle, then we got a doji that is almost often a reversal signal, yes, it is a reversal signal, but you will see. And in this kind of situation, I would not do this because we have here a nice trend channel. We are still in this trend channel, yes, and this is too close. That would be not having any kind of margin, yes. We have here no margin where price could move, yes. Price could move till this level and then reverse from this level, yes, because the 1 deviation is too close. And we have here also this kind of wicks here. This kind of wicks of this here, which is also getting here, you see, at the same level confluence, yes. So let's see what's happened here, what I have done. Yes, you see price is going up, and then we got a rejection downwards, yes. And then I asked myself what I was explaining something, and that was the reason why I didn't enter. Then I was waiting for a better entry point again because I missed this the best entry point. It was the rejection from this level here. Yes, from this level that was the rejection, but I missed this. So I tried to find some other area, yes, to enter into a trade. And you see it was a put, yes, and I didn't trade this because like I have explained, a reversal at this level would be a little bit complicated due to the movement. So then I draw here some lines, yes, but we are still into a downtrend. We didn't touch the 200 EMA, the lower Bollinger Band, yes, and on this level I entered into a put, yes, because I was expecting that price would continue going down because we also here you can see here the 50 EMA crossed now the 200 EMA 2, yes, and that is another sign that the downtrend is still active, yes, and the 20 EMA is still going down and is not crossing the 20 SMA, the middle Bollinger Band. You see that those two are getting here parallel to each other, yes, they are not crossing each other. At this level, yes, there would have been any kind of crossing to get the signal of a trend change. But because this was not doing this, it was a clear put to me, yes, that I understood that this area here, this support level, which I have drawn based on, I don't know how long far away, yes, we have seen this before. Let me show you this. It was only a few seconds. let me see here. Yes, you can see here the distance, how far this is away. Yes, this was a few hours ago here. That area which I have drawn here. Yes, that was a few hours ago, and not here. This was a change of polarity. You see here. So here it was resistance, here it got support, yes, and after this I traded it here, yes, I have done a put here because the trend was too strong, yes, and that was the reason why I was pretty much sure that this area will be broken, yes, because of the downtrend, yes. If you have a strong downtrend, no support and resistance level will be holding, yes, if there is not a really strong one, and that was not a strong one, yes, because we got here already immediately here the breakout. After one touch there was a breakout, yes, you see, then it was used once as resistance, and the second time it was used as it was already broken, because this already didn't hold more than once. Yes, that is what's about. So okay, that was it already. So I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. That was, you see, I have done here 3 puts in a row, yes, and only because I saw this kind of downtrend, yes, which was really nice, really strong, and like I have explained, this trend channel here, 1 deviation, 2 deviation, and this the change of the ranging market, the Bollinger Squeeze ranging market here into a breakout, yes, and then trading this upcoming downtrend if you have this Bollinger Band. You will not see often this kind of alignment of the Bollinger Bands. If you have such kind of alignment of the Bollinger Bands, which are parallel and heading in one direction in this kind down, yes, you have a nice strong downtrend, and then you can do here also those kind of pullback trades, yes, if you have such kind of trend. So okay, that was it. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.